Echo. Enemy is controlling more sectors than us. Attention, objective Charlie. Now on. Our forces have taken full control of objective Bravo. Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo. Enemy has seized control of Sector Echo. The enemy has taken objective Alpha. We've hit the halfway mark. The lead is ours. Our forces have taken full control of objective Charlie. The enemy has taken objective Alpha. Allied forces are engaging at objective Echo. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking
Artillery barrage ready.
Allied forces are engaging at objective Echo. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Alpha. We are in the lead. Hold our advantage. The enemy has seized control of Sector Bravo. Objective Bravo has been captured by the enemy. Allied forces are attacking Objective Echo. The enemy has taken Objective Alpha. Allied forces are engaging at Objective Bravo. Combatants in Objective Echo have been eliminated. We've taken Sector Echo. The enemy has taken Objective Delta.
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Combatants in Objective Charlie have been eliminated. The enemy has cleared Objective Delta. Sector Delta is now under our control. Victory is within sight. Hold firm and press on for victory. Allied forces are engaging at Objective Bravo. The enemy has taken Objective Delta. Objective Echo lost. We've taken control of Sector Charlie. Be advised, the enemy has taken Sector Echo. The enemy is teetering on the brink of collapse. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking Objective Alpha. The enemy in Objective Bravo has been neutralized. Allied forces are engaging on Objective Echo. We've taken control of Sector Bravo. Our forces have taken full control of Objective Bravo. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking us. The enemy has taken Objective Bravo. Copy. Vehicle drop to target location. Enemy forces have been routed from the area. Operation complete.